BB Naija star Gideon welcomed his lover Kaffi with a banquet of flowers and kisses at airport after 6 months. Former Big Brother Naija housemates and couple Gideon and Kaffi have yet again melted hearts on social media after displaying their affection for each other in public. Gideon treated Kaffi to a warmly surprise at the international airport during her arrival from the UK after about 6 months of living there. He welcomed Kaffi with a banquet of flowers, after which the both hugged and passionately kissed each other.
So nice. That's so nice. That's so nice.